Harry Potter World. How do you feel about going to Harry Potter World?
Oh, okay.
Excited. Alright. We're going on a trip in our favorite rocket ship.
This is the Harry Potter train. Can you imagine, like, these people are in their 30s already. I think this is the Hogwarts Express. Hello, we are now... I don't know where are we, to be honest. To be honest, I don't know their real names. What, Daniel Clifford or something like that. Oh yeah, Emma Watson. Yeah.
You're right.
Not very obvious, but my scarf says Gryffindor. And my shirt is the Hogwarts emblem.
I know, you don't have to point, Mama can see. Keep your hands inside.
Yeah, wherever we go, right, people keep staring at Jacob. This is the entrance to Harry Potter World. Yeah, it is in the middle of nowhere. Is this supposed to be Nagini? Hagrid! This is Harry's spectacles. Oh my god! It's Harry Potter World. You can see the dragon inside. Oh my god, the music is beautiful. Look, it's my fiance who didn't wait for me while I was taking video. Hello? It is so detailed, I tell you. The stories we love best do live in us forever. This is the food hall. And this is where they serve food. Oh my god. It's so cool. Come on guys, we're late. I think they are walking us through the whole filming of... So they said 2000 was the year that they recorded the first movie.
Yeah.
The flying car with the green screen. So cool.
Yeah.
Oh my god, the Harry's hair. I think this is
Yeah.
really like 3D. You can see
Yeah, like a cardboard.
theater cut. Theater.
Yeah.
We're at the Great Hall. Do you know how they have their meals? They sit down and food just appear in front of them.
Oh, okay.
It's magic.
Should we just sit down now? I'm hungry. 这是 Gryffindor 坐的位置啊。
Yes. So they all have their own section in the Great Hall.
Jacob is having so much fun.
We're at the moving stairs. So cool. A video here. Let's see our portrait displayed. Yeah, here. It's us. And Jacob is staring at the two staring at his mouth.
This is Voldemort.
Jacob, are you excited, Jacob? Just be like so many things to see, and it's not common.
Keep me ready.
I'm going to bed.
I'm going to forget. You say it last. No, you say it.
No, it's I'm going to bed for another view.
No, you know.
I'm going to bed before either of you come up with another clever idea to get us killed. Or worse, expelled.
Super love this. It's so beautiful.
You know me? Huh? You know me? Since when do you wear glasses?
I was reading.
Reading? I didn't know you could read. You didn't pan to them correctly. Yeah, I don't think you didn't pan to us correctly.
It's okay.
Let me do it.
Wait, I will say wait. Okay, action.
Why are you wearing glasses?
Oh, I was reading.
Read. I didn't know you could read.
Why are you wearing glasses? Reading.
Reading.
I didn't know you could read.
Jacob is so excited.
I can teach you how to bewitch a child.
I can teach you how to bewitch the mind.
映画に出たんですよ。今日から立派な俳優です。 どんなシーンに仕上がったか気に。
Can you imagine? Can you think about it, you as a person, can you like just suddenly think of a new sport? Like you create your own sport. Think of conceptualize the whole game.
No.
One of the Deathly Hallows was this, right? I think, I'm not sure.
是那个 Karate Kid 里面吹的。
You told me it's a magic kung fu water. You drink and nothing can defeat you.
In Dumbledore's office. Yeah, office, sorry. Dumbledore's office. With Jacob. Now you look. You will see Fox is moving. Sherbet lemon.
Sherbet lemon.
Bellatrix Lestrange and Lucius Malfoy. That's why I say his wand is very iconic because look at it, it's a snake head. We are entering the Dark Forest. I think it's called the Dark Forest, I forgot.
Whoa, why is there a mist coming up from here? Wow, 有那个油的味道啊，有。
ハグリッドは一度もこの窪地に人をよこしたことはない。
下来了吧？
We're at Hagrid's hut. Let's go into his house. It's Fang, Hagrid, and a giant piece of cheese. Eat slugs. Eat slugs, Eunice. Oh my god, it's Ron and Harry's car that they took in the Chamber of Secrets. Ask me if I'm having fun. Because I am. I'm just a little hungry though. That's the car. That's the car that Harry and Ron took. Kinda hungry, I cannot wait to drink butterbeer for the first time. Oh, I see a cafe. Let's go have butterbeer, Eunice. Yes, they read my mind. Butterbeer. They sell butterbeer in a set. I'm so curious what it would taste like.
Yeah, I mean, I hope it tastes like beer, something that I would drink.
I don't think it's beer.
Discount souvenir.
Oh,
Okay.
Like to take one, take the back.
oh okay, thank you. Oh.
That's what
I'm gonna light a butterbeer. It smells like caramel. Ooh, it's like soda and caramel. It's nice, I like it. Can I take my popcorn in there? And then the cup is a souvenir, so you can wash it and bring it home. This is the Hufflepuff plate. It's roasted chicken and mandrake. I thought it was a potato, that's why I wanted it, but I think it's just bread. Once I make my move, the queen will take me.
Don't touch it.
Then you're free to check the king.
No, run! There must be another way.
Once I make my move, the queen will take me. Then you're free to check the king.
No.
Run! No!
What is it? He's going to sacrifice himself. No, there must be another way.
You want to stop Snape from getting that stone or not? Harry, it's you who has to go on. I know it. Not me. Not Hermione. You.
Yes, define.
This is Harry Potter's house. It's Pivot Drive. Let's go. It's the Dursleys' house. Eunice's gonna be running down that stairs and be like, "Wake up, Potter! We're going to the zoo!"
Wake up, Potter! We're going to the zoo!
Who's the fat boy's name right now?
Dudley.
Oh yeah, Dudley.
Give me that letter. Daddy's gone mad, hasn't he? Daddy's gone mad, hasn't he? Oh my god, 那个食物很真. Wow, the pots and pans and everything is. How did they? Good
Motorbike.
evening, my name is Stan Shumpike.
and I'll be your conductor for this evening.
My name is Stan Shunpike and I will be your conductor for this evening.
Boom boom, it's gonna be a bumpy ride. Take it away, Ernie.
Boom, it's gonna be a bumpy ride.
Take her away, Ern.
Yeah, take it away, Ernie. It's going to be a bumpy ride.
So cool. Platform 9 3/4. There's no platform 9 3/4. We're at King's Cross, boarding the Hogwarts Express. This train we have the original, then the chocolate frog.
Oh, okay.
This is Malfoy watching them fly in the car. Oh, this is where they grew up.
Yeah.
Prisoner of Azkaban. Luna Lovegood with Ginny. This is the Dementor one. Prisoner of Azkaban. Wow, I feel like I'm in the set of a movie. Ministry of Magic. People coming out of the... Oh yeah. Jump, miss, jump.
Can't jump with a baby.
Ooh, this is the new Ministry of Magic, the one after the who take over. Hagrid, what have they done to you, Hagrid? Hagrid, move! He's asleep. He's boring.
Move!
Move! He's asleep. He's boring.
You in?
This is what Hogwarts looks like. It's so beautiful. Especially with the music, man. It's extra beautiful.